focus of this hour is on the politics that's unfolding in Maharashtra ahead of the BMC elections in Mumbai, and it is a new political low ahead of the BMC elections. During a joint rally of Thackeray cousins, Raj Thackeray took a dig at BJP leader K. Annamalai and insulted South Indians. Raj Thackeray called K. Annamalai as Rasmalai and abused him from the stage. Amid the joint rally in Mumbai's Shivaji Park, Raj Thackeray reminded that Bala Saheb used to say, "Hatao lungi, bajao pungi." This vulgar comment comes after Annamalai said that Mumbai is not a city of Maharashtra but an international city. Annamalai was in Mumbai to campaign for BJP councillors ahead of the high-stakes BMC polls and was focusing on wards with a sizable Tamil-speaking population.
काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय. तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा. यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि बजाव पुंगी. काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय. तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा. यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि बजाव पुंगी.
And my colleague Vidya is now joining us on the story. Vidya, is making such personal and vulgar remark in the name of politics justified?
Well, if you look at it, in the 1966, when Shiv Sena really came to power, that's when Bala Saheb Thackeray, who had seen as to how the Marathi Manus of Mumbai were not getting jobs, the clerical jobs, the service sector jobs, they were all going to the South Indians. That's when he had started this entire campaign, which was called Hatao Lungi Bajao Pungi. And of course, this entire issue is again raked up by Raj Thackeray, while referring to the former BJP president of Tamil Nadu, Annamalai's statement that Bombay is not just a city of Maharashtra. In fact, what he actually seemed to be saying was that this is a city, international city, which needs to be taken to that standard. And that is why, but then of course this one statement that this is not a city of Maharashtra is being hyped by the Mahavikas Aghadi, especially the Thackeray's, who have been, raking up this entire statement and have given speeches against this as to how this seems to be the entire tirade of the BJP to make sure that Mumbai is taken away from Maharashtra.
Right, Vidya, and can this also be seen as a bid to polarize the Marathis against the Tamils?
Well, that's exactly, if you look at the entire campaign, the political campaign of the Shiv Sena, they have been speaking, especially the Thackeray's, since the time that they have come together. They have been talking about how Marathi Manus have to come together, ensure that the Maharashtrian votes do not really split, like as the BJP themselves also have been claiming that they too have a stake on the entire, and then there is Shiv Sena of the Eknath Shinde, which is also contesting in Mumbai, to ensure that these, votes do not get split. That is the reason why they are actually portraying this entire, how this entire Marathi Manus are actually under threat, and how they, if they really need to save the city, they need to come together and vote for the Thackeray's. So certainly that seems to be the entire strategy of the UBT and the MNS to get votes this time around for the civic polls.
All right, Vidya, do stay with us. Let's once again listen into Raj Thackeray's remarks on K. Annamalai.
काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय. तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा. यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि बजाव पुंगी.
And my colleague Vidya continues to stay with us. Vidya, is this Marathi outreach and this strategy of the Shiv Sena and MNS really resonating with the voters on the ground?
Well, this is not really the first time that we have seen this huge crowd that gets together at Raj Thakre's rallies. If you look at the numbers of these people really transcending into vote banks is something that has not really happened with Raj Thakre. Shiv Sena itself used to get many more votes compared to any other parties earlier. But with the split in the party, UBT is actually facing a big threat. In fact, a lot of people are calling this
All right,
entire
Vidya, do
Marathi
stay with us. We're now being joined by Shiv Sena's Shaina NC on the broadcast. Ms. Shaina NC, how do you look at this remark, the personal remark that has been made by MNS chief Raj Thakre against K. Annamalai, calling him Rasmalai, and also reiterating the slogan by Bala Sahib over Lungi Hatao, Pungi Bajao?
Well, I think it's the lowest of low in politics, and I don't understand why Mr. Raj Thakre and the MNS can't come up with its own vision plan on concrete issues rather than constantly targeting sections of society. Now, if Mr. Annamalai comes to Mumbai and is campaigning to call him Rasmalai, to say Hatao Lungi, Bajao Pungi, is this the level of repartee in a city like Mumbai, which has always been a cultural hub? We as Maharashtrians have always believed that Marathi Asmita, Marathi Abhiman and Marathi Manus, number one. But that does not mean that other people from other caste, creed, communities are not able to campaign in our city or come to our city. So their only agenda is fueling a larger conspiracy, and they are fueling a conspiracy to try and suggest that, oh, Mumbai will be separated. There's no question of Mumbai ever being separated from Maharashtra. It's a non-negotiable. What was the Sanyukt Maharashtra movement? So if he feels that this kind of repartee, saying a Rasmalai came from Tamil Nadu, is not abused, then I want to ask what is? And what is their agenda? They talk about Mumbai and Maharashtra having unfolded for decades a certain kind of a development plan which has been our agenda. They want to piggy bank on our achievements. Well, that can be part of political repartee, but to target people like this, insult people, is insulting Bharat. I mean, look at our country, its unity and diversity. And, in fact, if at all the so-called Marathi Manus, our leader Eknathji Shinde has got them back to Mumbai, whether it's the Girni Kamdar, whether it's the BDD Chawl or the Ramabai Nagar, where 17,000 homes have been given to the Marathi Manus. So stick to the core question rather than roping in Bala Sahib Thakre into this comment, I think is the lowest of low.
All right, Ms. Shaina NC, thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. Let's once again listen into the remark by Raj Thakre against BJP leader K. Annamalai.
काल परवाकडे कोणतरी एक तामिळनाडूमधून रसमलाई आली होती. तो सांगतो मुंबईचा आणि म्हणजे महाराष्ट्राचा संबंध काय? तुझा काय संबंध आहे इथे याचा? यांच्यासाठीच माननीय बाळासाहेब बोलले होते, हटाव लुंगी आणि बजाव पुंगी.